Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the cutting edge, the curious, and sometimes the controversial side of future health. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, because today we're cracking open one of the most talked about wellness trends of the decade. We're diving into DIY biohacking, safe practices you can start at home. We're not talking about shady injections or underground gene editing. We're talking mental clarity hacks using light, cold, and breath, metabolic optimization with tools you already have in your kitchen, sleep upgrades that don't require a prescription, and small daily routines that give you maximum biological return. Whether you're new to biohacking or looking to level up your routine, this is your practical, safe, and science-backed starting point. So grab your coffee or your bulletproof matcha, and let's hack the biology you already own. Let's zoom out for a second. Biohacking at its core is using science and self-experimentation to improve your body, brain, and biology. And DIY biohacking, it's doing that without a medical degree, without a lab coat. Just curiosity, consistency, and a bit of critical thinking. Why is it trending now? Information explosion. We now have access to real research and real-time data at our fingertips. Wellness fatigue. People are done with 30-step routines and 10-pill stacks. Biohacking is about intentional, not overwhelming. Skepticism toward big health. More people want to take health into their own hands, safely, smartly, and sustainably. Technology meets biology. Wearables, apps, and sensors are bringing biofeedback into our daily lives. Biohacking isn't reserved for tech billionaires or extreme body hackers. It's for anyone who wants to feel better, with less guesswork and more data. Let's talk practices you can start right now, most of which cost little or nothing. 1. Red light therapy. Low wavelength light that penetrates skin and tissue. Why it works. Boosts mitochondrial activity, reduces inflammation, improves skin and recovery. How to DIY. Home red light panels. Start with 10 to 20 minutes a day, 4 times a week. Bonus benefit. Can help regulate circadian rhythm and reduce seasonal blues. Safety tip, use FDA-cleared panels. Avoid staring directly into the light, and don't overdo exposure. 2. Cold exposure. Cold showers or ice baths. Benefits, reduces inflammation, boosts mood, increases brown fat activation. Mental edge, trains resilience and sharpens focus. How to start. End your shower with 30 seconds of cold. Work up to 2 to 5 minutes. Bonus hack, pair with Wim Hof breathing for added impact. Safety tip, if you have cardiovascular issues, consult your doctor before jumping into ice baths. 3. Intermittent fasting. What it is. Eating within a set window, example 16/8. Why it works. Supports insulin sensitivity, cellular repair, autophagy, metabolic flexibility. Beginner tips. Start with 12/12, work your way to longer fasts. Tools. Zero app, Apple Health fasting logs. Safety tip, not for everyone, especially if you're underweight, pregnant, or have a history of eating disorders. 4. Blue light management for better sleep. Problem, blue light at night equals melatonin disruption. Solution, blue light blocking glasses after sunset. Bonus, use amber bulbs, candles, or night shift mode on screens. Upgrade tip, try a sunrise alarm for a more natural wake-up. 5. Breathwork and HRV tracking. Why it matters. Breath is the remote control for your nervous system. Try this. Box breathing, inhale 4, hold 4. Exhale 4, hold 4. Result, lower cortisol, increase focus, improve sleep. Track with HRV tools like Aura, Whoop, or free apps like HRV4 Train. You don't need fancy implants, but here are tools that enhance your DIY biohacks. Aura Ring, Whoop, tracks sleep, recovery, and stress in real time. Zero, or Fastic, log and analyze your fasting patterns. Apollo Neuro, wearable that uses vibrations to regulate stress. Red light panels, look for trusted brands like Juve, Huga, or Mito Red. HRV monitors, like Polar H10 plus Elite HRV for high accuracy insights. Biohackers, beware. Here are the top pitfalls to dodge. 1. Chasing every new trend. Jumping from one hack to another creates noise, not progress. Focus on 1 or 2 practices. Master them. Then layer in new ones. 2. Ignoring sleep as the foundation. You can't hack your way out of sleep deprivation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted deep sleep. This is your baseline for all gains. 3. Supplementing without data. Taking random supplements without lab tests wastes money and can harm your health. Invest in blood panels, hormone tests, and nutrient analysis first. 4. Rushing into extreme routines. Jumping straight into ice baths, multi-day fasts, or marathon light therapy can backfire. Progressive adaptation and gradual increases protect your body and mind. 5. Neglecting simple basics. Hydration fuels every cellular process. Don't skimp on water. Sunlight regulates circadian rhythms and vitamin D levels. Social connection reduces stress and enhances recovery. 6. Overanalyzing every data point. Endless tracking can create anxiety and obsession. Use data as a guide, not a judge. Prioritize how you feel over perfect numbers. 7. Neglecting mental health. Stress, anxiety, and burnout sabotage all physical biohacks. Incorporate mindfulness, meditation, or therapy as part of your routine. 8. Forgetting to rest and recover. Your body needs downtime to rebuild. Don't treat recovery as optional. Schedule rest days and prioritize sleep quality. Smart biohacking is about patience, listening, and consistency, not extremes or quick fixes. Final tip: treat your body as an experiment, not a project.
What's next for biohacking at home? AI-driven personal protocols. Think ChatGPT meets your blood work. Custom plans, instantly. Continuous biometrics. Glucose, cortisol, ketones, monitored in real time. Nutrigenomics at home. Tailored diets based on your DNA. Smart homes for recovery. Rooms that auto-adjust light, temp, and sound based on your metrics. Biological age reversal kits. Peptides, red light, sleep science, already in early testing. The future of biohacking isn't about doing more. It's about being more in sync with yourselves. Biohacking is a practice, not a product. You don't need to spend thousands. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be curious, consistent, and committed to feeling better. Start with one thing. Test it. Tweak it. Track what changes and what doesn't. Because when you change your inputs, your biology changes too. What biohack are you trying at home right now? Or which one are you excited to start? Drop it in the comments below. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more real-world wellness and future-ready health tips. Share this with someone who's ready to take control of their biology. Until next time, stay curious, stay grounded, and remember, your body is your lab. Start the experiment.